So again, good morning everyone. I, Anjum Bharti Nirban, welcomes you to join the class of English Literature. So yesterday we have completed our question answers of lesson 2. Today I'll explain you a few book exercises of this chapter. Okay, you have to concentrate it. So class, let's get started. Read these sentences. Which book are you reading? Did you book the tickets for the film? Now next is you can see the highlighted word book. Okay, did you notice how the same word book has different meaning in the both sentence? How they are different? Because in the first sentence, which book? It is talking about our book. Okay, in which we learn or we study. Okay, did you book? It is about when we book something कि हमने किसी को fix कर दिया टिकट बुक करते हैं इस तरीके से. Okay, did you book the ticket for the film? Okay, तो यहाँ पर दोनों की मीनिंग अलग हो गई है. बट what we find here that the spelling of that word, those words are same, and the pronunciation also same. Okay, book, but the meaning is not same. The meaning is different here. So it is called homonym. And what is homonym? A homonym is a word which is spelled like another word or pronounced like it, but has a different meaning. As we have already read that book has a same spelling. Okay, book, and same pronunciation, but both of them meaning is different. Okay, class. So related to it, we have to complete our book exercise. So the question is, study the highlighted words in these sentences and write down their meanings. You have to study, you have to read the sentence and write down the meaning of given highlighted words. If you do not know the meaning of any words, try to guess it before you look it up in the dictionary. Now there is instructions that you have to guess it. Okay, you will automatically find out it. Okay, so I'm showing you the answer key with it. Okay, so you'll better understand it. So class, our first sentence is, did you note the number of the car? Did you note? The highlighted word here is note. So here note meaning is write. WRITE, write, likhna. Okay. Second is, he left a note of thanks for me at the reception. So here note meaning is a short written message. Okay class, now you can able to see here there are meaning note. Okay, there are two time the meaning included in a sentence, but you can see here that we can pronounce it in the same way. The meaning of the spelling is same here, but the meaning are different. जैसे इस note की different meaning क्या हो रही है? Right. Did you note the number of the car? Did you write the number of the car? क्या आपने उस कार के नंबर लिखे थे? But in the second sentence there is a different meaning of that note. That is a short written message. कि उसने मेरे लिए क्या छोड़ा? Reception पे एक thanks का message छोड़ा. Okay. Same as the deck of cards is in my drawers. And fourth sentence is the captain called the crew on the deck. Here we have two words which has same spelling and same pronunciation, but the meaning are different. As you can see here, the first one's deck meaning is a complete set of playing cards. कार्ड्स खेलते हैं उसके कंप्लीट सेट को क्या कहते हैं? डेक ऑफ कार्ड्स. ओके, एंड इन द फोर्थ सेंटेंस देयर डेक मीनिंग flow of a ship. Okay, everyone. Now, fifth is there was a big barrel of oil near the road, and in sixth, the robbers pointed the barrel of the gun at the travelers. Here, the spellings are same, the pronunciation are same, but the meaning are different. As we can read over here, barrel means cylindrical container. एक cylindrical shape में container होता है, oil container. Okay, and here barrel means part of a gun like a tube. जो गन का फ्रंट का पार्ट होता है जो ट्यूब की तरह दिखाई देता है उसे क्या कहते हैं? बैरल. ओके क्लास. एंड नेक्स्ट इज शी इज वेरी ब्राइट गर्ल. She is a very bright girl. Eight sentences. The light from the lamp is not very bright. Here you can see the same meaning, same spelling, bright, B-R-I-G-S-T. Pronunciations also same, but the meaning are different. So bright here in seventh sentence, their bright meaning is intelligent. She is an intelligent girl. We can say like this. Okay. And next, bright is full of light. Here bright किसके लिए use किया गया है? Light के लिए use किया गया है. Okay. Ninth sentence is, I threw a coin into the wishing well. Here well is used for a deep hole in the ground from which we obtain water. In Hindi we हम क्या कहेंगे? कुआं. Okay. My grandmother is not feeling well. Here well meaning is in a right way, in a good way. Okay. My grandmother is not feeling well. It is meaning in not in a good way. Okay class. So I hope you understood the meaning of homonyms. Homonyms are the words which we spell like another but and pronounced like the same but has a different meaning. So we have completed this exercise. Now we will read about homograph. There's a little bit difference from the homonyms. Okay, so read these sentences. If you lead, I will follow. Lead is a gray metal used for water pipes or cover roofs. Okay, lead can mean to show the way, pronounced as a lead. Okay, or to refer to a metal pronounced as a lead. अगर हम इसमें किसी वे के बारे में बात करते हैं कि हमें किसी को फॉलो करना है तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे, क्या प्रोनाउंस करेंगे? लीड. ओके, और हम किसी मेटल के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो व्हाट विल प्रोनाउंस हियर? लेड. ओके, द हाइलाइटेड वर्ड हैव सेम स्पेलिंग. अब यहाँ आप देख सकते हो लीड एंड लेड की दोनों की स्पेलिंग क्या है? सेम है. ओके, बट देयर मीनिंग एंड प्रोनाउंसिएशंस आर डिफरेंट. लेकिन हम जब इनको प्रोनाउंस करते हैं और इनकी मीनिंग का पता करते हैं तो दे बोथ थिंग्स आर डिफरेंट टू ईच अदर. Okay class, so we will call it homograph. Define homograph is, a homograph is a word that is spelled like another word but has a different meaning from it and may have different pronunciation. तो आप समझ गए होंगे उससे थोड़ा सा चेंज है होमोनिम से कि यहाँ स्पेलिंग तो सेम होगी लेकिन प्रोनाउंसिएशन एंड मीनिंग दोनों चीजें क्या होगी? डिफरेंट होगी. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू इट वी हैव टू कंप्लीट आवर गिवन बुक एक्सरसाइज. Question number B is, the words given below are homographs. Now here you can see there are many words. These are homographs. Make sentence to bring out the two meanings. Now we have to make sentence. यानी हमें दो sentence ऐसे बनाने हैं जिनकी दोनों की meaning अलग अलग होगी. You may consult a dictionary for pronunciation. इसमें हमें थोड़ा instructions भी दिए गए हैं कि आप dictionary भी देख सकते हैं. Okay class, अब हम इससे भी key point की तरह करेंगे. So we have given first word is address. Now we have to make two sentences with the different kind of meanings. Okay. So first sentence related to address is, can you please share your name and address with me? So here the address where we live. Okay. हमें अपना पता बताना है. तो यहाँ पर address का meaning क्या होगा? जहाँ हम रहते हैं वो पता बताना. Okay. Second sentence of address is, she advised me to address my application to the vice principal. Here address meaning is it's related to a formal speech and here address meaning is to direct. Okay. Second second word is balance. We must always try to keep a balance between work and relaxation. So here there is a comparison. Okay, compareness हो रही है यहाँ पर. What compare किसके बीच में हो रहा है? एक तो वर्क के बीच में और एक रिलैक्सेशन के बीच में हो रहा है. तो हमें एक बैलेंस बनाकर चलना है. वी मस्ट ऑलवेज ट्राई टू कीप अ बैलेंस बिटवीन वर्क एंड रिलैक्सेशन. Second, according to balance, the sentence is, how long can you balance on one leg? Here balance means put something in straight position. Okay, कि हमें कोई एक पोजीशन मिल जाए उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमें अपने आप को ढालना है. So how long can you balance on one leg? Third is desert. The word is desert. The sentence related to desert is, he drove off into the desert. Drove off into the desert is, it is kind of arid land. यानी खाली जगह है desert जैसे कि आप जानते हो. Second is, he courage. Oh, sorry. Here is her. This is not he. So mistake. So here is her. Her courage seemed to desert her for a moment. Here desert means to leave someone without help. किसी को बिना हेल्प के छोड़ जाना. Okay, so one desert is arid place, arid land, and second desert mean is to leave someone without any help. Then light. There's a word light. We have to make two sentences. Okay, with the different meanings. A light was still burning in the bedroom. Here light you can see is a shining thing, light. Okay, here it is the meaning of shining thing. Next is come in, I will light a fire and you can get warmed up. Here also, but यहाँ पर fire light के बारे में बात हो रही है और it is used here as a verb. Okay class. Next is mind. He was in a disturbed state of mind. So here the mind meaning is ability to think. Okay, कि हम हमारे mind में कुछ भी सोच सकते हैं, कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. Okay, that is ability to think. It is that kind of mind. Okay. In second sentence, did she mind about not getting the job? Here feel. Here mind means feel. कुछ feel करना. क्या वो ऐसा feel करे कि करा था not getting the job? Okay. Next is project. The last word is project. The midterm will be developed to project work. Here project means a task, okay, or we have to work it with great presentation. So here project means task. And next project is actors must learn to project their voices. Here project means manage. Okay class, first project means a task or second project means manage. Actors must learn to manage their voices. Okay class, so we have completed our exercise related to homocraft. Or there are one more exercise. There is one more exercise, okay, related to sentences. So this exercise we will be continue in our next class. Till then do practice of these given exercises.